It's a very important day for Indian cricket coming up, and before that, to talk about quite a few issues actually, is the man who has made this day possible, Justice Mukul Mudgal. Sir, you've been a cricket fan, you still are.
Oh, of course.
But are you a cricket fan still?
I am a cricket fan. I'll continue forever to be a cricket fan. Some aberrations cannot divert my passion for cricket, and it will remain.
Sir, 4 months, 120 days of seeing what you have in that report. Despite that, you continue to have hope?
Yeah, of course I have hope, because largely almost all the players are very, very fair and fight for their country and their clubs. And I don't think they should be besmirched with some wrongdoing of the others.
Sir, IPL as a brand, do you think that you can continue to have faith in the brand itself? Do you think it's got problems now, in need of correction? How do you want to put it?
No, IPL is a good format because it gets money for young cricketers, it gives them exposure, and they rub shoulders with the best players in the world. It gives them confidence to play on the big stage. Only thing is, it needs some corrections, it needs some improvements, and some issues which need to be dealt with firmly.
So, when you say corrections, improvements need to be dealt with firmly, you've already said a lot of things in the report, which I don't want to rehearse again. But the fact is, that's not been done yet. So the judiciary seems to be the only hope for the ordinary cricket fan of this country.
Well, we have given our report where we have recommended that there needs further investigation, certain aspects. And it is subject to objections by both parties. And the matters coming up in the Honorable Supreme Court, it's for the Supreme Court to decide what action, if any, is to be taken on our report. I can't say anything further than that.
I don't want to also to push you on more than that. Just two final questions before I wrap it up. You've said you've recommended further investigations on certain matters. So would you be a little specific on what do you think is fair? Obviously don't without prejudicing anything else?
No, I wouldn't, because the report is very crystal clear on what we have recommended. And I don't want to comment on it just now when the matter is before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Finally, after this Supreme Court order on the 7th, you know, practically the whole world is looking at it. And in many ways, it's D-Day for Indian cricket. Do you also look at it like that?
Well, it's a very significant day in Indian cricket's history. And I'm sure the Supreme Court, as it does, will do justice to the cause.
Final question, sir. 4 months of real hard work. Do you think, or at least I'm pushing you, do you think it can be cleaned?
Yeah, we have recommended some measures. General recommendations are there. I mean, it depends on the court and the board whether they accept it or not.
Thank you very much, sir. I hope your recommendations are adhered to by the court, and I hope the game is clean for you and I to keep watching without tainted eyes.
Let's await the orders of the Supreme Court.
Thank you very much. Sir, 4 months, 120 days of seeing what you have in that report. Despite that, you continue to have hope?
Yeah, of course I have hope, because largely almost all the players are very, very fair and fight for their country and their clubs. And I don't think they should be besmirched with some wrongdoing of the others. Only thing is, it needs some corrections, it needs some improvements, and some issues which need to be dealt with firmly. It's a very significant day in Indian cricket's history. And I'm sure the Supreme Court, as it does, will do justice to the cause.